In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot integration with SurveyMonkey. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in HubSpot and how to start the install so your survey data can flow into your CRM for better follow-up and reporting. Before we dive in, a quick note on prerequisites. Make sure you're signed into a HubSpot portal where you have permission to install apps. If you're not an admin, you may need someone with higher access to complete the installation. It also helps to have your SurveyMonkey account details nearby, since you may be prompted to confirm access during the process. Start in your HubSpot portal and open the trial guide area. Think of this as your launchpad. It organizes key tools and shortcuts so you can get where you need to go quickly. From here, we're heading to the place where all integrations live. Next, find and click the Marketplace option. This is HubSpot's catalog of apps and integrations that extend your CRM. If you're ever unsure, look for wording like App Marketplace or an icon that resembles a storefront. Clicking this will take you to the directory where you can search for SurveyMonkey. On the Marketplace landing page, choose the HubSpot Marketplace if you see multiple tiles or sections. This ensures you're viewing listings that are certified to work with your HubSpot account and are maintained to HubSpot standards. Use the search bar at the top to type SurveyMonkey. As you type, the directory will filter results in real time. If nothing appears, double-check your spelling or clear any filters. You're looking for the official SurveyMonkey listing, which typically includes the app name, logo, and a brief description of what the integration does. Click the SurveyMonkey listing to open its details page. Here you can review what data syncs, what permissions are required, and any usage notes. It's a good practice to scan this page so you understand how contacts, survey responses, or properties may be handled once the integration is live. When you're ready, click Install. This begins the setup process. Depending on your permissions, HubSpot may ask you to confirm the account, approve required scopes, or sign into SurveyMonkey to grant access. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirm to proceed. When the installation completes, you'll be able to manage the integration from your connected apps inside HubSpot. That's it. You navigated to the trial guide, opened the marketplace, found the HubSpot marketplace, searched for SurveyMonkey, opened the official listing, and clicked install. If you run into access issues, check your user permissions or ask an admin to complete the install. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.